That would happen if we put Mars in Earth's place. Would it be habitable? Mars would get about 78 million kilometers closer to the Sun, and this would heat up the planet significantly. Also, a day on Mars is roughly the same length as a day on Earth, and its tilt around its axis is like Earth's, so the seasons would be practically the same. But is this enough to support life? As you can see, the ice on Mars is melting, and water has appeared on the planet, but without a magnetic field and a strong atmosphere, all of this will evaporate. So, placing Mars in Earth's position takes us about halfway to making it a habitable planet, but it still needs extra work for us to live there peacefully. First, we will give it a strong atmosphere made of nitrogen and carbon dioxide to protect it from harmful sunlight and provide a suitable environment for plants to grow. We will also add a strong magnetic field to protect it from harmful solar winds. Then we'll fast forward time and see what happens. After a long while, plants appeared on the planet, which in turn produced oxygen in the atmosphere. And with that, we can say that Mars has become habitable for humans,